Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you the different referee whistle tones. I'm going to show you the different tones you use and when to use them to sound more professional and to make you be a better overall referee. Let's begin. So for kickoff, you want to have a long-lasting whistle tone. It's got to be a few seconds long and it got to be sharp, clear, and tell the spectators and players what is happening. So here's an example. So for some things, you don't actually need to use your whistle. Like for goal kicks, corner kicks, throw-ins, obvious things like this, you do not use your whistle. But if pretend the ball went slightly out of bounds, you need to stop play if the players are continuing. So you could just go like this, and it'll get their attention. And then you signal for the throw-in, corner kick, or goal kick. Offside is very crucial that you have a strong whistle tone. Why? Because it's when a big play is happening. When someone is offside, usually people are cheering, getting excited because they think their player is going to go and score a goal. But really, they're not going to, because you're going to call it offside. So you're probably going to be a little bit further behind play. You need to call the play right away by using a sharp, strong whistle like this. For fouls, you're going to have different whistle tones depending on how severe the call is. If it's very severe, you're going to have something like... If it isn't very severe, it's just a minor foul, you have a whistle like this. For PK, you gotta have a strong whistle tone to differentiate your call from just a normal foul. So your call is gonna be a long, strong whistle like this. As you're running up to the penalty kick spot, you go like this. That's the penalty kick. So you may be wondering, what is the halftime and full-time whistle tone? Well, really, the halftime whistle tone could be the same as the full-time whistle tone, but some referees do it different. Here's an example of how some referees do halftime. Or full-time is... When a substitution is requested, you can confirm it by going like... This is also used if you need to do a redo of something, for example, a foul throw. You'd blow the whistle by going like... Remember, when reffing, your whistle isn't everything. You can also use your voice to communicate with the players too. Before you ref your first game, I recommend practicing your whistle tone in a big open field a few times. It's alright though if you make mistakes. For example, in my first game, when doing the full-time whistle, I ran out of air halfway through it. So that's a good whistle tone to practice because it's use lots of air to do the full-time whistle. You need lots of air for that one compared to all the other ones. So make sure you especially practice that. Take a deep breath before you blow into the whistle. When you first start out, you might find it a little overwhelming to be so loud on the field. And you may find your whistle to be a little bit raspy sounding like this. Make sure to be confident, just do a loud whistle. If a fight ever breaks down on the field, it's very important you handle the situation appropriately. A whistle tone, loud and demanding, will actually frighten the players a little bit and break out the fight better. You want to do a whistle tone, repetitively, loud, fast, and a little bit aggressive sounding. And then go and use your voice while dealing with the fight. You're wondering, why do whistle tones actually matter? Well, if you have a strong whistle tone, you sound more professional, and people will actually listen to you and respect you as a referee more. The next thing is, your whistle actually means something. The different tone you use shows how severe or what's happening, how important the play is. Well guys, that is it for this video. I really hope I helped you figure out how to use whistle tones appropriately when reffing. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!